Welcome to my friends in my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, properties and advantages of different types of oils, where we will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils and edible oils, and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. Natural peppermint oil is a highly aromatic essential oil derived from the peppermint plant, a hybrid species created by crossing watermint, Menthe aquatica, and spearmint, Menthe spicata. The plant itself is native to Europe and the Middle East, but is now widely cultivated in various regions around the world due to its versatility and distinct sensory properties. Peppermint oil is produced primarily through steam distillation, a process in which the peppermint plant's fresh or partly dried leaves are exposed to steam. This causes the oil to separate from the plant matter, producing a potent, concentrated extract. The essential oil captures the plant's robust and minty fragrance, characterized by a fantastic, refreshing scent that is immediately recognizable. The aroma of peppermint oil comes mainly from its two main chemical constituents, menthol and menthone, with menthol contributing to the oil's cooling sensation and its distinctive crisp scent. In terms of appearance, natural peppermint oil is typically colorless or pale yellow, depending on its purity and extraction method. Its consistency is light and fluid, making blending with other oils or products for various applications easy. Due to its robust, pleasant aroma and versatility, it is often used in multiple industries, such as cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, food flavoring, and perfumery. The oil's intense scent is why it is widely favored in personal care products like soaps, shampoos, and toothpaste, as well as in culinary and food applications where it is used to flavor candies, gum, and teas. In natural living, peppermint oil is a crucial ingredient in many homemade formulations for skincare, cleaning products, and aromatherapy blends. Its sharp, cooling fragrance has made it one of the most widely recognized essential oils worldwide. Peppermint oil is not only known for its cooling scent but also for its versatility in blending with other essential oils. It pairs well with lavender, eucalyptus, and rosemary, making it a staple in many essential oil collections. Whether used in a diffuser to create a refreshing atmosphere or included in personal care routines, peppermint oil's bold and sharp characteristics make it a staple in both commercial and home environments. I see now that you want to avoid discussing benefits entirely and focus more on peppermint oil's general characteristics and background. Let me provide a revised version. Introduction to natural peppermint oil. Natural peppermint oil is an essential oil extracted from the peppermint plant's leaves, a hybrid species between spearmint, Menthe spicata, and watermint, Menthe aquatica. The peppermint plant, historically native to Europe and the Middle East, is now cultivated globally due to its solid and aromatic properties and widespread use in various industries. The oil is most commonly obtained through steam distillation, which involves passing steam through peppermint leaves to release their oils, which are then condensed and collected. This method preserves the oil's natural composition and ensures its potent aroma is captured in its purest form. The resulting product is a clear to pale yellow liquid, depending on the plant's harvest time and the distillation process. The scent of peppermint oil is highly distinctive, sharp, calm, and refreshing. It is primarily composed of menthol and menthone, with menthol giving peppermint oil its characteristic cooling sensation and brisk aroma. This unique composition makes peppermint oil versatile, lending itself to numerous applications, from perfumery to culinary uses. Peppermint oil is widely recognized for its refreshing scent and is used in a range of products, from personal care items like shampoos, soaps, and cosmetics to household goods such as candles and air fresheners. The incredible minty fragrance is easily distinguishable and often associated with cleanliness and freshness, which is why it has such broad appeal. Culturally, peppermint oil has been utilized for centuries, with historical records showing its use in ancient Egyptian, Greek, and Roman times, primarily for its aromatic qualities. Over time, it has become a key ingredient in modern formulations across industries, valued for its strong scent and adaptability. Additionally, peppermint oil blends well with other essential oils, such as lavender, eucalyptus, and citrus oils, which enhances its versatility in aromatherapy and personal care products. In culinary contexts, peppermint oil is often added to confectionery, beverages, and even certain savory dishes to impart a crisp, minty flavor. Its concentrated nature means that only a tiny amount is needed to achieve a significant aromatic effect. Due to its strong and refreshing scent profile, peppermint oil remains a favorite in many homes, whether for aromatherapy, cleaning products, or enhancing the atmosphere with its refreshing fragrance. This version strictly avoids mentioning any benefits and focuses on the essential oil's characteristics, origin, and uses without considering its specific advantages. Write me frequently asked questions and expand. Here's a list of frequently asked questions (FAQs) about natural peppermint oil, along with expanded answers that avoid discussing its benefits directly while providing general information about the oil. 1. What is peppermint oil made from? Peppermint oil is extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant, Mentha piperita, a natural hybrid of spearmint and watermint. The oil is typically obtained through a steam distillation process, where the plant's leaves are subjected to steam, causing the essential oils to be released and collected. The resulting oil contains compounds such as menthol and menthone, responsible for its distinct aroma. 2. How is peppermint oil produced? The most common method for producing peppermint oil is steam distillation. Steam is passed through freshly harvested or dried peppermint leaves during this process. The heat causes the oil glands in the leaves to release their essential oils. Once the vapor cools, the oil is separated from the water, resulting in concentrated peppermint oil. This method helps to preserve the integrity and potency of the oil's aromatic compounds. 3. What does peppermint oil smell like? Peppermint oil has a sharp, calm, and refreshing scent. The aroma is instantly recognizable and has a minty freshness with slight herbal undertones. The dominant fragrance comes from menthol, contributing to the oil's brisk, cool sensation when inhaled. The intensity of the scent makes peppermint oil one of the more potent essential oils used in aromatherapy and various personal care products. 4. What are the main components of peppermint oil? Peppermint oil contains several active compounds, with the primary ones being menthol and menthone. Menthol is the most abundant and contributes significantly to the oil's cooling and crisp scent profile. Other components include limonene, methyl acetate, and cineol, adding to the oil's complexity and versatility. 5. How is peppermint oil used in everyday products? Peppermint oil is widely used in a variety of everyday products. In the personal care industry, it's a popular ingredient in shampoos, lotions, soaps, and toothpaste, which adds a refreshing scent and cooling effect. It's also used in air fresheners, cleaning products, and candles due to its strong, fresh aroma. Peppermint oil is a joint flavoring agent in foods and beverages, especially candies, gums, and teas. 6. What color is peppermint oil? Natural peppermint oil is typically colorless or light yellow. However, the color can vary slightly depending on factors such as the method of extraction and the time of harvest. Regardless of color, the oil remains consistent in its potency and aromatic strength. 7. Can peppermint oil be blended with other essential oils? Yes, peppermint oil blends well with several other essential oils. Some popular oils to mix with peppermint include lavender, eucalyptus, tea tree, and citrus oils like lemon or orange. These combinations can create balanced, layered fragrances that enhance peppermint's cooling and refreshing qualities, making it a popular choice for use in aromatherapy and custom essential oil blends. 8. How should peppermint oil be stored? Peppermint oil should be stored in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Exposure to light and heat can cause the oil to degrade, reducing its potency over time. It's best to keep the oil in an amber or dark-colored glass bottle to protect it from ultraviolet light, which helps preserve its freshness and aromatic properties. 9. What does essential oil mean about peppermint oil? The term essential oil refers to a concentrated, volatile oil that captures a plant's natural fragrance and chemical properties. Peppermint oil is an essential oil because it contains the concentrated aromatic compounds, primarily menthol and menthone, that give peppermint its distinctive scent. Essential oils are often used for their solid and characteristic aromas, and are derived through steam distillation or cold pressing. 10. Can peppermint oil be used in food and drinks? Yes, peppermint oil is commonly used as a flavoring in various foods and beverages. It is trendy in candies, chewing gums, chocolates, and teas, where its sharp, minty flavor is appreciated. When using peppermint oil for culinary purposes, it is vital to use only food-grade peppermint oil, as the concentration of essential oils can be pretty potent. A minimal amount is sufficient to impart the desired minty flavor in food or drinks. 11. Is peppermint oil different from other types of mint oils? Yes, peppermint oil is distinct from other types of mint oils, such as spearmint oil. While both oils are derived from plants in the mint family, they differ. Thus, we have seen how this type of oil is not just a nutritional ingredient, but a natural treasure full of health and beauty benefits. Green heart, whether you use it in your food, to care for your skin, or even to boost your health, this liquid gold deserves to be a part of your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel until you receive everything new. And tell us in the comments how to use olive oil in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you.